So guys, for the first method, make sure that your cable is either a DisplayPort, DVI-D dual link, or HDMI 2.0. If it's any other cable, you're not going to be seeing 144Hz. And now for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. Also, you want to expand monitors. Now you want to find the monitor that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. I'm also going to be leaving down below 3 links for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I got the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on our software, you want to click on the driver tab. Now you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on advanced display. Make sure that you have your correct monitor selected. And now next to choose a refresh rate, see if you can change it from here. Now for the next method, you want to right click on your desktop and then click on show more options. You now want to open up your graphics card control panel. For me it's going to be NVIDIA control panel. You can most likely download your graphics card control panel from the Microsoft Store. Now in my case I'm on NVIDIA, so I'm going to go to change resolution. Now I'm going to choose the resolution that I want. And it appears right here 144Hz. So just go through the resolutions that you have, and then see if one of them shows you 144Hz or a Hertz that is higher that you want. And then click on apply. Hopefully this will now fix your problem. And now for the last method, since you updated your graphics card, just try restarting your computer. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.